In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 6 review websites in detail so that you can follow along with me and get your business on these sites. Then you're going to get free reviews from your clients posted on those sites, and then people that are your prospects are going to read them, and you're going to have a better leg up on the competition to close more deals. I'm Michael Rodriguez. Contractor Money is the community I started to help contractors like you build your business and your lifetime goals. Let's get into the video where I created a simple web page tool that you can use to track each one of these 6 websites and get this job done. Let's go. What I want you to look at this as a countdown of the 6 major review platforms. And if you just don't want to be on one of them, you can take one of them off. So like if you don't want to be Instagram, you remove that. It's not going to be in your checklist here, okay? If I remove all these, everything would be gone except Google, okay? I don't let you take off Google because you got to have Google. There's no option. Here we're going to go through quickly the 6 sign up pages, and I'll take you through some of the process. In the afternoon, you can get through all of these. You may need to have some authentication where they want to find out about your business, so they'll send you a link to click, or they'll want you to sign up to Yelp, sign up to Nextdoor, etc. as a user. But that's fine, right? Just go ahead and do that so you can be part of those communities. And don't go crazy on setting everything in there like your name, company name, just the required fields. We got the setup for Google. I'm going to start and click on that button. That's the button right there. That's going to take you to the Google page to set up. Same for Yelp, setup. Same for Nextdoor. And so I got this next box here is the URL, the web address you're going to get once you sign up. I want you to paste that right in here. Okay, we're going to store this here for you. All right, let's start with Google Business Reviews. Now you might have to create an account with Google before you get to this page. Some people have had to. So if you don't have a Google account at all, they're going to ask you to create your account first. So here I'm going to put in Contractor Money. I already have one for my Trailside Handyman business, but that's the name of my business just to give you guys something to see in the demo. I'm going to click on Next. And do you want to add a location? All right, I hit yes. And I put my business address in here. Do you provide deliveries or home office visits? Yes. We go to people's houses, right? Or businesses. Add the areas where you serve. So I would just start this with 1 or 2, okay? But you can come back and load this up with all the different towns around you. So I've got Thornton, Broomfield. You know, these are going to allow Google. If people in Broomfield are searching for a handyman, then I'm going to come up higher on the list. And we go to the next one. What contact details? Okay, so I want you to call me at my business number, and chat optional. So sure, yeah, they can chat with me via text, and that's it. Okay, and I think that's all we need to do. Get updates about your business, like alerts. Sure, this is why I set up the app. I want you to do this. It's a little work, but I want you to do it because this is the only way you're going to get on Google. So here they want you to create a video of your business so they know you're actually a real entity, that you really exist. Capture all 3 requirements in one continuous recording. For you, you would probably go to your truck. If you got your name of your business on your truck, show that and then open the door. And then I would go to the address of your business and show that. And then just maybe a street sign if something's close by or neighboring businesses. For me, I'm in a residential area. So I think just my house and my address for my house, the house number, would be enough. And I'll hit next. Tips for getting started planning ahead. Make sure you capture all 3 requirements in one recording. Okay, so you're just walking around with a recording. You want to plan it so it's not more than 1 or 2 minutes. And then start outside. Don't start inside. So capture the business surroundings before moving inside. On my phone, I can get that link. You're probably going to want to be logged in as the same account you're using in Google Business Profile. And finally, you're just going to upload that, and then they'll give you a message that it's going to get reviewed by the people at Google Business Verification Team, and they'll send you a link when you're up and running. You're going to get this URL, this website link from Google. And what I'll do right now is show you how mine looks. Then this is my review site. And so people can upload photos, they can put the stars in here, put all the details, and that will then show up on my review page. And these are the reviews that I have. See, people have actually uploaded their own images. They're really proud of the work. So that says a lot. That is Google. All right, so we're back in your review dashboard. And remember, this review dashboard link will be sent to you via email. So just bookmark it in your browser. You would get an email from Google with your new business profile web address. And you want to paste that right in here and hit verify. And now you're in there. Crossed it off. You can move on to the next one. Now, I wouldn't wait for this to move on to the next one, right? Please go ahead and move on to each one. Again, take a couple hours one afternoon and start the process. This is what I meant by the process before. They have to verify you. It's going to take a couple days. And you're going to get a reminder email every few days to say, hey, update this tool with your URLs when they come in from the review sites. So that way you can be held accountable by our tool to get this done because it's important for your business. I really want it for you. And here we are. After you click on the red link button on our Contractor Money free review website, you're going to land on this Yelp for Business page. And this is where you'll set up your Yelp business account so your clients can leave you reviews. So you'll put in your business name. Here I'll put in Contractor Money, and then your next link, put your email address, and then your business phone number. They might send you a text to verify you're a real person, and then here they're asking you to text me a link to download the mobile app. So you can log in as a business customer of Yelp's, and you will get contacts and probably notifications via the app for any customers or potential customers that want to contact you. So it's pretty good to have the app on your phone. And the rest of this is pretty self-explanatory. You kind of go through the pages. They're going to verify who you are. Again, don't go crazy setting up images and all that yet. We just want to get the basic website up with some information about our company, telephone number, any contact information, and maybe description. And that's it, because we want to get through all of these different business review sites. All right, so let's go and see my page and how it looks on Yelp. It's my Yelp page. And this is probably what you will get, a link to a page like this, at which point you can click on write a review, all right? And this is where you want your clients to land when they click on your link, that you send them in an email, or that when you sign up to Contractor Money, we'll send them automatically at the end of every job. But when we click on this, I'm going to copy this and I'll put it into my Yelp for Business page and then hit the verify button. It'll make sure what you copied in there is correct. And then we can go on to the last four. All right, so we got next store down the list. Again, we just get through it. We'll be done in a couple hours. Let's get her done. So when I click on that button, it should do something. Let's see. All right. And now our next stores page. Okay. Similarly, you could pick your Google account. You want to link it to that, or Facebook, etc. With your, if you have a custom email like I do, you just put that in there and go from there. And then it's going to ask us the similar information. It's going to be probably specific to where you live, not so much your business address, although you could use that. But I'm going to put my business. And we'll just put construction. For you might do handyman, electrician, car detail, stuff like that. A house cleaning service. And choose that, confirm the category, and then continue on. Let's see, yeah. So it's going to want to put you in a neighborhood because this is very neighborhood focused. It is validating and verifying based on, okay, this is a neighbor. I trust my neighbors, therefore maybe I'll trust the business. Okay. this is what next door is all about. And then each of the neighbors will start to say, anybody have suggestions on, oh yeah, I know this car detailer. It's the ABC car detail. Check them out. They live here in the area. And you'll be able to have your business promoted just by the people in your neighborhood. So they might link to your business page and then you'll have reviews to show them. Okay. And so for me, I'm going to stop here, increase website visits. Then they want to sell you, of course, all these services are going to want to sell you advertising. You can just skip that. I've got my dashboard here, and this is information that I could share the page to somebody else. I'll get a link I can use. This is the link that we want to put into here. And we're done. Okay. All right. We're going to move on to house. So we're going to click on that guy, set up for free. Watch out with house. They're going to want to steer you towards their paid accounts. And if you want that, fine, but you don't need that for just setting up the simple page. They even give you a how to create a free business account in house step-by-step guide here. So I'm going to let you kind of do that yourself. It really starts with option 1 here, house.com pro. And then it'll ask you a bunch of questions and then sign up. All right, so I got the house in there. I pasted the link that they sent me. And now we see that. Notice how your links are on each one of these stored in the system here at Contractor Money. Again, you're in a free website, free login here. Just connect it to your email address you signed up with when you signed up to this form. And lastly, we have the Instagram profile. So let's see if I can pull that up. All right. So you might have an Instagram account already. If you don't, then you can create one here. But usually I get this error, which is can't find me because I've logged into Instagram with my Facebook account. So if you ever get that, try what I just did. Log in with Facebook. I'm not a robot. Go through their security checks here. Yep, here it is. So it's logging me into the Instagram page through my Facebook account. That's how I set it up. I'm going to hit not now. And then if I go to my page, projects and other items focused on my business here. And I also have my personal life in here. So you might do the same thing, but you're getting the idea that this is a place where not so much reviews are done, but you want people to kind of come in here and maybe post their own pictures of your job you just completed, linking to your Instagram profile, and then those folks can see other work that you've done. Create a new one of these with just your projects and upload photos of those. And that can be a way that you can get people to see your work. Okay? I'm not saying any of this is super, easy. You got to kind of be involved in some of these platforms if you really want them to be part of your everyday. So for Instagram, I have the app already set up. It's pretty easy for me to click on a photo at a job and then just upload it to Instagram. But it might not be for you. Maybe you just want to focus on, hey, I'm not uploading anything right now. I just want my review sites to be all updated, and that way I can have people upload information just like in your Google business profile, and that'd be enough. Then you can kind of be hands off at that point. Your customers can go to that address that we will automatically send them if you want to use this tool you're looking at right now or sign up for C Money. And they'll click on the link and they'll leave a review, and then you're done.